Okay guys, New Year's Eve rural Thailand market tour. It's not that busy yet, it's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, but this market is going to be hopping soon. Half the market is here every day and the other half is only here part-time, and there's a lot more stuff today than normal, I would think. What's this? Sawadee Pi Mai, no? Sawadee Pi Mai. We'll go around, take a look at some of the cool stuff, some of the people, see what we could see. Everyone's already laughing at me. That's normal. As you can see, pretty busy. Some people are just sitting up. This part is the permanent part. Lots of beautiful produce around this time of year. Look at all the chilies. Check this one out. Check this out. I was just getting that one too. Bags of blood. Beef on this side and mostly pork. Not a lot of beef sold around here. They have 2 quarters of beef. That's unusual. But there's a lot of pork. Like that. Ooh, that looks good. More beef. Sawadee Pi Mai.
Sawadee Pi Mai.
What is this?
ขี้มัน
Ghee.
บอกว่าขี้
ขี้
แปลว่ายังขี้
เพี้ยภาษา
Cao Jai.
คืออะไรขี้เพี้ย
ขี้เพี้ยขี้เพี้ย
Looks pretty good, huh?
นี่มันว่าอะไร
Looks pretty good. Don't taste that great, in my opinion. Look at all the pork, though. Pork. Pork. Down here's another one. All the produce through here. Yang.
แมงลัก
Mang Lak. It's got a minty smell. New one for me. Am I? Yes? Variety pack. Green onions and cilantro. Both of which very, very popular. That's a really bad idea. Fermented fish. Oh my god. Man. Some dried fish. A little better. Toasted rice powder. The boss with the money. Look at that. You see that? They sit on their counter. There's something moving in this bag. Frogs? Go up, yeah? Tiny little frogs. Yeah. That is a very, very small chicken. Welcome to the fish station. Snakehead. Snakehead. Looks like they've been here a long time. They're in rough shape. The butcher. These nets are pretty cool. These guys have been selling here in the same spot for years. That's big, yeah? That's 2 kilo, kilo and a half for sure snakehead. That's pretty good for this variety. Walking catfish. Tilapia. There's some walking catfish. Surprised there's not more fish here. Some big ones though. Finding the big ones. Put them in the laundry basket. Tilapia again. No pink ones. No pink tilapia. Snakehead and snakehead. A lot of snakehead. This part of the market, I don't know. I've never ever seen it used. Cool. There you go. Check this one out. Drip, 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 double barreled. Sausage barbecue. Cooked over charcoal. Drip tray both sides, so no flare up. Pretty cool, huh? Sausage isan. That's a very hot job. It's a big barbecue. Normally they're only about half this long for this purpose. Wow, look at all the beautiful fruit. Beautiful, beautiful fruit. Huh? Soy jing jing. That guy's got shrimp. All kinds of them. And this one's got corn. Beautiful corn. That guy's got a little tiny dog. It looks like it's going to rain. That might be why there's not many people here. Really looks like rain. Oh yes. Oh yes. That is one big tentacle. Octopus, yeah? Pamuk. Pamuk. That little dog's licking my foot. All kinds of squid and octopus. You see these big raw ones here? It's got eggs in it. Look, kaya? Mut? It means it's got eggs in it. Okay, let's go check this out. Oh yeah, that's a pig's ear. That is a beautiful, well, more than one pig's ear. Wow, it does ever hot. Look at her basket. Look at that. All this is on a motorbike. I didn't even realize that. That big barbecue is sitting on the back of the motorbike. And then there's her table. Wow, and there's her pork already cooked, ready to go. The old barbecue's seen better days. Here's the smokestack. Wow. That is too cool. Waffles with corn in them and all kinds of other stuff. Hot dogs, steamed. Under this bowl is a gas burner. Cooked over the bowl, yeah? Steamed over the bowl in a bamboo steamer. How cool is that? It's got a lot of stuff here. Oh, crepe. They put some strange things on crepes around here. That looks like cheese. Huh? Condensed milk. See the boss? Jam. Looks like mango jam. Oh, there we go, another one. I don't know if that's butter or cheese. Mango jam. Look at all the different fillings. Sprinkles. Chocolate. Cereal. That looks like condensed milk. That's chili sauce. She might be in training, but I think she's ready to go. This is a crepe station on a motorbike. Gas bottle. Hello, little girl. Whoa, what is that? That's meat floss. Dried pork. It's really nasty stuff. Oh, look at that. What is this? Looks like a cake made out of pink crepes. Hmm? Hello. They got egg tarts, look. They're cooking egg tarts in the market. Wow. How cool is that, huh? And right here, oh, big bucket of shrimp. Oh man, look at this station. She's got octopus there. Lots of squid. Squid looks really good, better than normal. That's octopus. Crab, swimming crab. This is a hive of activity, this one. The busiest station yet. Those are blood cockles. And you got the big cockles too. That's one right here. My signals around here before. Mussels, all kinds of shrimp. Mussels are cooked over there. Busy place, huh? Tripe. That's tripe. Say mine? Tripe. Tripe. My sap. My sap. Oh, my sap. My sap. Busy place, huh? That's the tripe lady. Hello, KFC lady. She told me before she was KFC. It's actually, this chicken is really good. She shouldn't be downgrading it by calling it KFC, that's for sure. Busy now. Look at this, huh? See, 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 KFC.
สไปซี่จ้าบาร์บีก้าจ้า
Check this out.
270 บาทจ้า
Busy place. Good business, let me tell you what. Look how many people's working in there. Huh? Everything for a hot pot. Pre-seasoned, most of it. Maybe all of it. Buy it by weight.
225 บาทจ้า
Looks like 150 baht a kilo.
เข้าไปเลยค่ะแซวเขาแซวเลยเฉยเขาแซว
Oh, hom, hom, hom. Check this out. Mushrooms wrapped in bacon. Yeah? How smart is that? Bacon makes anything taste good. Even mushrooms. Okay. I come back to see the pig's head. Stewed. He watch this old guy. He wants to be in a video really bad. All laid out on banana leaves. Okay, buddy, it's your turn. There you go. All down here, clothes and lots of it. I think that's about it, guys. Pretty interesting market, that's for sure. Lots of tripe for sale today. That must be stomach? I don't know. Intestines, all kinds of weird stuff. Some squid. Not that fresh, I would say. Unreal. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it.